Do you also recommend having fish, given that today most fishes have been filled with heavy metals thanks to again inhalation and garbage dumping?
Mm, mm. Not only heavy metals, they're full of microplastics, and 40% of the plastics are fishing nets. So in the ocean, 40% of plastic in the ocean is fishing net, not your plastic bags, not your earbuds, not your straws. You know, straws account for 0.03%. So people are avoiding straws and thinking we're saving the planet. But actually, if you avoid fish, you're saving the planet. Because do you know that whales swallow fishing nets and they but just open mouth and they eat whatever's there, right? They can't see what they're eating. So the plastic gets stuck in their stomach and intestines, and they die, and they get washed up on the floor. And when you cut them open, you're finding fishing nets inside. Okay, and do you know if you kill whales and dolphins, what happens is that without whales and dolphins coming to the surface to breathe, there would be no algae. The algae need that air which is coming from them to kind of, and everybody says save the Amazon forest, blah blah blah, right? But I think more than 85% of the fresh oxygen that's coming to us is not coming from forests. Did you know that? It's coming from the algae in the sea. So the algae are doing the work of converting all of the carbon dioxide that we put out. So by eating fish, you are supporting fishing, and you are supporting more and more plastic in the ocean, which is killing more and more whales. Basically, you're choking your lungs by eating fish. So that's one thing. Another thing is that the fish are full of microplastics, and those microplastics are now made its way into our sperm also, and it's made its way into our eggs also. So children are going to be born with plastic in their brain. Okay, that's the kind of plastic pollution that we've done. And then heavy metals, of course. Mercury is a huge one. Industrial effluents being thrown in like huge quantities into the sea. Whether it's a sea or whether it's a river, all the fish have mercury. Nobody's going to tell you this in the fishing industry. They're going to say it's safe, it's mercury safe, it's dolphin safe, it's that and this. Nothing is going to happen because we have to just avoid fish, man. It's not about saving the planet, it's about saving ourselves. It's time to stop eating fish. Now, I'm not arguing that fish don't have nutrition. Fish do have nutrition. Okay. In the earlier Siddha textbooks and all, they mentioned which kind of fish has what kind of nutrition, which level it's found at. They had a study of all this. That's when fishing was in control. And then fish was a medicine. But now fish is nothing but poison. It's so much full of industrial effluents and microplastics, bioaccumulated plastics. So every time you eat a fish, it's there in the muscles of the fish and it's there in the organs of the fish. You eat it and you get it. It's there in your organs and it never leaves. The plastic never leaves. Liver doesn't know how to throw it out. It just gets clogged and clogged. So yeah, what used to be a good idea a long time ago, fish give us omega-3, they give us this, they give us that. All of it can be got from plants because it's the algae that gives omega-3, by the way. So why don't we just eat algae, algal based omega-3? You don't have to
True,
eat fish.
true,
And
true.
it's available. It's available in India too. Algae based omega-3 is available in India. That's what I have. And you can
True.
get, if you're vegan, if you're 100% vegan, having no animal products, then you can produce a lot of omega-3 in your body just by eating flax seeds. But you have to be vegan for 15 days to start producing that. Otherwise, it
That's
won't
true.
produce.
That's true. That's true. Yeah, Ms. You raised a very good point about the comparison between the oceans as well as the Amazonian forests. And again, that sounds more reasonable because Earth is at least covered 72% by water. So,
Yes.
yeah, the more we are affecting our oceans, the more it will be difficult for us itself.
Yeah. So we should really stop supporting the whole industry that brings you your fish from Amazon. I mean, even if it's, we say, that, oh, these are just innocent fishermen going out there. But no, they do a lot of trawling. They catch they really mess up the ocean. We've already messed up the ocean balance. Why do you think we're getting so many tsunamis? After I was after I was 35, we started hearing about tsunamis. Till then, I didn't have any news about any major tsunami in India. But now there's one tsunami every year. Last year, I got caught in one in Pondicherry. So we've disrupted something. We've messed up the balance. Even the atmosphere is being affected. We have